Natural numbers, n, are the counting numbers that emerged at least tens of thousands of years ago due to humanity's need to count, transformed the philosophical state of nothingness, shunyata, into an actual number on which one could perform arithmetic operations. Integers, z, extend the number line to the left of 1 to include 0, as well as the negative numbers, which Brahmagupta historically categorized as debts, rina, in contrast with the positive number, fortunes, dana. The arithmetic of integers. Brahmagupta gave explicit rules for adding and multiplying these integers, which we still use exactly as he wrote them over 1,300 years ago. Brahmagupta's laws provided the first rigorous framework for arithmetic with signed numbers, establishing rules such as the product of two debts is a fortune, negative times negative equals positive, as well as the rules for 0,